Run.
What's going on? My friend Nick Anderson here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make money from Instagram.
Caught a few, now I'm looking for the rest, Caught a few, now I'm looking for the rest, Running till I'm running out of breath. I got dreams to catch, oh. Running till I'm running out of breath. I got dreams to catch.
Okay, welcome back to the main value of the video. So I'm going to cover a lot in this video, so make sure to grab a notebook, get ready to take some notes, because there's a lot of things about Instagram that you can leverage to be able to make money. Now, there's two parts to this video, okay? Part number one is the growth aspect. Part number two is making money on Instagram. Okay, so the first thing that you got to do if you want to make money from Instagram is you have to be able to grow an account. Now, what I'm going to show you how to do works even if you have no following, you're brand new to Instagram, you don't have a bunch of followers yet. I'm going to show you how to make an extra $100 to $500 per day, even with a small following, okay? So the very first thing that you need to do is you got to choose a niche, okay? There's three niches that I recommend really going into if you want to be able to make money and become the most profitable on Instagram. That would be travel, luxury, and motivation, okay? Those three niches. Now, you could choose one of the three, whichever one interests you the most. Personally, I love the lifestyle niche. That's what, Kyle and myself, we are all about: travel the world, living an awesome lifestyle. Now, we have three accounts. This one right here, close to 100,000 followers. This one right here, over 100,000 followers. And then this one right here, over 100,000 followers as well, okay? Now, the next thing that you got to do is you got to choose viral content to post within that niche. So what I recommend doing is going on your Instagram account and looking in the search tab and looking for the hashtags that are specific to that niche. So let's say, for example, you're going to choose the motivation niche. What you would do is you would type in motivation and you would see all these posts that are on the explore page. You could just tap any one of these posts and you can look and you can see what hashtags those accounts are using to make their posts go viral. So all you're doing is you're pretty much hashtag hacking. So you're picking the hashtags for all these other niches, these specific niches that you're going into, and you're taking those hashtags and you're using them for your own photos. Now, what this is going to allow you to do is this going to allow you to not only have your posts go viral, but it's going to allow your posts to show up next to those on the same feeds of those people that are searching those specific posts. And the cool thing is, if you don't have content to post, you can repost other people's content from the explore page that is proven to go viral. This is a big step. Choose content that is already viral to post on your page within the specific niche that you chose, but make sure to give credit to its respective owners so you don't get in trouble for copywriting or anything, okay? That is very big. The next thing is you can do is post the content, all right? Now, when you post the content, instead of posting the hashtags in the caption of the photo, you want to post those as the first comment in the photo. Number one, so it looks cleaner, and number two, so people can discover your post on the explore page, okay? That is very big. Now, the next thing you can do is engage with others. Now, this is gonna allow you to increase the exposure to your page and increase the audience. So who do you engage with? Well, what you wanna do is you wanna go on the explore page and you wanna type in the hashtags of the specific niche that you're choosing, right? So if you're in the motivation niche, you would hashtag these hashtags right here that you see on the screen right now. If you're in the lifestyle niche, you could search these hashtags right here. If you're in the luxury niche, you can search these hashtags right here. Any of these hashtags are gonna allow you to find other accounts and other posts that people have made that are specific to your niche. Because if you're posting up motivation stuff, you're not trying to attract people that are not into motivation at all. You want people that are specific to that niche so you know they're gonna purchase what you're gonna be selling down the road. This is very big, okay? So for more recommendations, like I said in the description below, that growth guide is gonna show you everything that you need to know for that. And if you're struggling with engaging with others and if you don't have much time during the day, and you're working a full-time job or multiple jobs for that matter, then you want to leverage a software for this, okay? So I'm going to leave the best software below that engages with users for you. It targets specific hashtags, it targets specific accounts, and it does this 24/7, 365 while keeping your account safe. So when you leverage software for your account, it allows you to automate the engagement aspect. That way, all you have to focus on is posting up the viral content and searching for those viral posts using the Explore page. Now, the next thing is making money from your page. There's 3 things that I recommend to do if you want to make an extra $100 to $500 per day through Instagram. The very first thing is selling shoutouts for other Instagram users and other Instagram accounts. Now, in order to do this, you need to build a big following, okay? And then people will be willing to pay you a certain amount of money, whether it be $20, $50, $100, or more, depending on the size of your page, in order to post a shout out for their account on your page. Now, this is how some Instagram users make a lot of money, but in order for you to do this, if you're brand new, it's not going to be very realistic from the start until you have a page of 20,000, 50,000, or 100,000 or more followers. So in order to get to that point, you're going to have to build a bigger page. Number 2 is doing sponsored posts for brands, okay? So major companies and brands are paying these big influencers to do sponsored posts and to promote their products on their pages. And some accounts get paid, like Kim Kardashian will get paid, $50,000, $100,000 per post to promote for like a protein powder or something like that. But in order for you to do this, like I said, you need to build another account. So number 3 is probably going to be the most effective way for you to make an extra $100 to $500 per day, even with a small following, and that is selling affiliate products, becoming a professional recommender, okay? And how you do this is very, very simple. I'm going to walk you through this right now. But first, you have to ask yourself, what affiliate products convert the best through Instagram? Well, I've been testing this out for the past 3+ years now, and I've been finding the best affiliate products that promote. And the current one that I'm finding right now, up to date with this video while you're watching this, is in the description below, okay? It's gonna be one of the first links that you see, and that product is crushing it right now. And you can see the results on the screen right now. This is responsible for over $19,000 within the past 30 days, over $7,000 today. Now, results aren't typical, okay? And I know if you don't believe this, that's completely fine. I'm gonna prove it to you in a second. And when you click the link below, you're gonna be able to see that affiliate product. You're gonna see how powerful it is for you. But the next question that you gotta ask yourself is, what's the best way to sell this product through Instagram, okay? Are you messaging other users? Are you commenting on other posts? How do you do it, all right? So not only am I teaching you how to build a big following when you click the link below for the Instagram growth guide, but I'm gonna show you how to sell this product in the most effective format, okay? No BS, no bullshit, right? Straight to the point, okay? The best way to do it is through sales funnels and email marketing. This is just like Amazon.com does, where Amazon collects emails and then they sell you other products as well. So not only can you sell this specific product that I recommend in the description below, but you can sell other products, even if you want to create your own products down the road to your audience. Now, for example, okay, I'm gonna give you an example. On Instagram, you're gonna see in these accounts right here, I put my link runlifestyle.com in my Instagram bio. Now what happens is when people come to my page through the software that I'm leveraging, when I comment and I engage with their photos, they come back to my page, they see that runlifestyle.com link in my Instagram bio, and when people click it and they go through my funnel, that builds, number 1, my email list, which allows me to email people other value, other videos, other content, other products, and different things to help them produce results on their social media, build a bigger following, and make more money. And then when they go through my funnel, right, and they purchase the product, I get paid. Now, the cool thing about this is I didn't have to create the product myself. You don't have to create the product yourself. That's the power of being an affiliate marketer or professional recommender. You don't have to hire the customer support agents. You don't have to source the product. You don't have to deal with the merchants. You don't even have to create the sales funnels or write the emails for the specific product that I'm selling right now. All you have to do is build your Instagram page and leverage the same software that I'm leveraging in order to build your account and drive traffic to your page. And when people click it and they go through, you make money, all right? Now, the more Instagram accounts that you own and the bigger that you grow your accounts, the more money that you make, okay? So if your goal right now is to make an extra $100 to $500 per day on Instagram, leveraging an account and then building different accounts, then this is the best way to do it, okay? This is the best way to do it if you're brand new and you don't have a big following. The reason why I say this is because this is exactly how I did it. So I'm just showing you the ropes here, and I'm showing you exactly what I've done and teaching you how to do the same thing, okay? So if you wanna learn how to build a big account, how to build multiple accounts to over 100,000 followers, how to make money from these accounts, and how to teach other people how to do the same thing, and how to leverage sales funnels and email marketing and build real businesses aside from just making, a couple posts here and there trying to go viral. You actually want to take this seriously and you want to be committed to this, then check out the links in the description below. Make sure to subscribe to this channel for other social media tips and hit the bell to be notified of more videos just like this.